Okay, welcome to episode 4 of brand new used car. This episode, I think you can guess what we are gonna do. The paint of this car has seen better days. I don't think it's ever been taken care of. There's a lot of watermarks, there's a lot of swirl marks. So since I wanna add more details to my car, we are at more detail today. Sorry for the lousy joke, it was Sherry's idea. Special thanks to More Details for sponsoring today's video. This video would not be possible without them, and hopefully you guys can learn something from this video and be entertained at the same time. If you want to do any of this with your own car and you want a really professional job, make sure to check out More Details. I'll link them down below. Their services are amazing and their prices are even better. They're located in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Kepong area. Let's go back to the video. This paint is in horrible condition. There's a lot of scratches, there's a lot of watermarks that do not leave even when I just wash the car. I live in Malaysia, it rains almost every day. When you touch the paint, Cherry, touch the paint, it's very rough, right?
Like too rough.
I washed the car like a few days ago, so
Disgusting shit.
the paint is like very contaminated. We are gonna start by washing the car. Hello? Yeah. I forgot to mention, just had a call to remind me, to remind you guys to hit the subscribe button, which is the second sponsor of today's video. We're almost at 800 subscribers now. Still, we need to hit 1,000 subscribers by this week. 94.2% of you guys who watch the channel are not subscribed. We have been uploading every week for the past almost 1 year. Been an awesome journey with you guys. I really enjoy making these videos and I really love the support that you guys give me. So let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get back to the video. Now we are gonna start with washing the car. Oh, wait. You should use this.
Oh, okay.
Okay. No, bro, what are you doing? Why are you recording?
Oh, okay.
No. Don't.
It smells so good.
Yeah, always trust the guy with the big nose.
Oh yeah.
So normally when you come to this shop, they don't make you do your stuff on your own, but... Bro, come touch this now.
Wow, that is kind of smooth.
It is kind of smooth, right? Touch here.
Well, I just
here.
wiped my hand.
Touch here. Get your hand.
That is smooth.
Okay, and then now touch here.
That is so not smooth.
What this clay bar does for you. Okay, now touch here.
Oh God. Oh,
Did I do a good job?
you did a hand job.
This is a hand job. No. They have washed the car and clay barred it. You can tell the paint is very smooth. We are moving on to polishing the headlamps and the car, so I'm gonna move the car forward. So as you can tell, my headlights have turned a bit yellow. Guys here told me that we can try and polish it, see whether we can bring it back to life. The paint already looks so much better just with the clay bar. All the dirt that came off already gave it so much more shine. So I can't wait until we finish and get the actual like mineral gray out of it. So I'm pretty sure many of you have experienced this, that your headlights turn yellow due to the sun, due to the everything. After a while, your headlights turn yellow. If that has happened to you, make sure you check these guys out. This already looks so much better and they're not even done yet. We are done with half of the hood. As you can tell, there is so much difference. This side is the color is just so much deeper and better now. Actually, they got rid of all the scratches, 90% of the watermarks. Okay, the job just got finished. The car looks fantastic. Everything, the paint is so smooth. I really don't know if I want to wrap the car after this. Amazing job. They also cleaned and applied leather coating on the interior. The interior is looking fantastic. I mean, it looks like a brand new car in my opinion. All right guys, so if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button down below. Make sure to check out more details. They do an amazing job. If you need to polish your car, if you need to do a simple car wash, detail your car, interior, exterior, make sure to check them out. I will link their Instagram down below. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. I'll see you soon. So bro, you're selling the bike?
Yeah, I'm selling the bike. It's in really good condition. I maintain it very.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's
This
one
is
of
so much better.
it comes up to your, like, you know.
Okay. So you guys are in a market for a bike. Please don't buy this bike.